So making a little progress here. So we just kind of come down the driveway. You can see how all that's opened back up now. He's done quite a bit of clearing out here, which is fantastic. The house is basically going to sit right here. We're kind of almost at the front porch, maybe right in there somewhere. For those of you that are new, I'm Pete, GCI Turf, and most folks, I assume, follow me for my fescue in my yard that I've done a lot of videos on over the past, but we're in a position now to where we have acquired 20 acres of land right beside my brother who lives right over there, which is fantastic. And we're kind of in the process right here of getting everything graded out, trees moved and that kind of thing, and we're going to build a home. And of course, when we get to that point, all that kind of thing, I'll show you the build. We'll look at the build from start to finish. I'm pretty much standing in the front yard right now. There's old Boone. And my vision here is, you can see right over here, this pine thicket. There's a bunch of just saplings and junk in there, so we cut it back to the pine thicket. And that's going to slope back, probably be a 15-20 foot slope or so. And we're going to cut into all this. This is sloped probably from there, I'd say down to the pan. That's a good 10 feet of elevation change. We're going to cut into this flat and take that material and move it all down here, so that this entire front yard area, the entire area where the house is, everything you see over there, all this is going to be flat as a pancake. Obviously, except for drainage. You got to have some fall for drainage, but it will be relatively flat, especially compared to what it is now. And that way, I can put my championship golf green right here. Going to do Champion Bermuda, and this is probably going to be an easy 20,000 square foot putting green. It might even end up being a touch bigger than that. You know how I get carried away from time to time on things like that. But the house will be right there. All that'll be flat, built up, and then the putting green will be the entire front yard, all the way over to here, and it's going to go all the way down there to the side yard. Up in that corner, I'm going to have a tee box, and then a series of tee boxes going down the tree line right there, and walk out the back door. We're thinking swimming pool. I don't know if we'll be able to do that right away, but eventually, maybe one day, swimming pool. And then right off the back of the swimming pool will be another tee box. I'm going to put a target green way down there in the bottom, and from up here to the bottom down there, it's roughly 140-ish yards, something like that. So should be a good little tee box. I'll probably end up putting a little small one over here as well, and you can hit that way. Could potentially put one back there, but I'd have to hit over the house, and I just don't know if my wife is going to go for that or not. I guess it all depends on how my ball striking is that day, I guess. But anyway, I think it would be cool to get you up in the air and show you some of the changes that's been made and how it looks quite a bit different than it did when we first started all this. Irrigation, I am going to do full-blown irrigation on everything. Got permission from the powers that be. I can pull out of that creek back then. There, it's a pretty strong creek. So my guy here, I just told him to go ahead while he's here, cut me a trail, cut me a road down to the creek. And that way, when he leaves, I can start doing some of that kind of work. But anyway, let us get up in the air and take a peek at this bad boy and see what it looks like. So let's kind of start from scratch right here, and we're going to come down the driveway. Had a lot of that cleaned out, leaving those two big oak trees. And pretty much you'll come right here and swing around and drive straight into the garage like so. Let's get you up in the air, and boy, oh boy, is it looking a lot different. You can see right over here is where I was telling you about that tee box is going to be in that corner right there, and a series of tee boxes will go down this tree line right here at different yardages. And pretty much where you see this big pile of brush right there, that little bit of dirt pile behind it, that is pretty much where the golf green itself is going to be. Then we circle around here, this little group of trees, which if you've followed in the past, you know that is what was pretty full. Save that big oak right there. And my shop should go right to the left of that. And then you come back here, and basically just going to square this corner off is really all I'm wanting to do. All those trees right there you see from the little trail, see how it's kind of squared off back in there? All those trees inside there will be gone, and so that'll be big open area. That is where I'm going to plant my fescue, my Kentucky bluegrass, and my ryegrass. That way we can keep things going with the cool season turf as well. But what our game plan is to open it up just a little bit right in there, so that when we're kind of down here at the house, we can see the pond, which will be pretty cool. All that'll pretty much stay as it is, other than it will get grass planted. But yeah, that's it. It has been a yucky winter. So, you know, it's kind of hard to get out here and grade in the mud and that kind of thing. But look at that right there. Isn't that pretty? Right about where that pan is sitting. You can see the pan right above the tree line. That's going to pretty much be our back porch. You swing over a little bit. That little bit of gray dirt kind of right to the left of the dozer, that's pretty much the back left corner of the house. So you can kind of get a good idea. It's going to kind of sit at a little bit of an angle up in here like that. But boy, look at that right there. Isn't that pretty? So just make a mental image in your mind. Imagine having a gorgeous Bermuda grass fairway for your backyard. The entire tree line is going to be lined with zoysia. And then you come up here to the front yard, right about where the track hoe is sitting and where the side-by-side is. All that's going to be front yard, champion Bermuda grass putting green. And then that putting green is going to wrap all the way around out to there. Think about the fun we're going to have, cookouts and things like that. It is just going to be a blast. I cannot wait. It is so exciting seeing this thing take shape, and especially from where it used to be, because you know it was just an old cut over field. And of course this field slopes pretty good from up here down to the bottom, but I'm going to do quite a bit of flattening out and grade work. Like I said, this entire corner is going to come down probably 8, 9, maybe 10 feet. And all this will be flattened out. Everything what you see right here. And of course, maybe from right about, let's see, right about here, there's a hill. And then it kind of drops off a little bit more. From there down, it'll be sloped. I won't do much changing of the grade right there. But from there, turn around, up the hill, I'm definitely going to do quite a bit of changing of the grade. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you an update and let you check it out. It's just a work in progress. We've been really, really wet this winter. And, you know, if you do grade work, you can't grade mud. So it just is what it is. Still got quite a few trees down there to burn. And then the logs, he's going to cut them up and take them to the sawmill and that kind of thing. So hope you enjoyed the update. I'll try my best to get out here as things escalate and we're able to get more things done as far as, you know, getting the house going and all that kind of thing. And I'll do my best to update you. And obviously, once we get out here and we are moved in, you are going to see a tremendous amount of content on all turf types. I realize most of you follow me for fescue. I get it. I understand it. I'm just at the point in my life where I want a easier grass to manage, and Bermuda is considerably easier than fescue, in my opinion. So, you know, the majority of this is going to be Bermuda, but like I said, over in that corner, we're still going to have fescue, rye, and blue, and we will absolutely continue to do content on that. And it's actually going to be a pretty good, you know, size. It'll probably be as much fescue down in that corner as I have at my current residence right now. So it's not like it's going to be just a little patch of it. It's going to be a pretty good chunk of it. So like, subscribe, share, tell all your buddies. Appreciate you watching. See you.